Hey guys, this one I've been waiting for a while for. Smart LED hood light. Part number 715009299. Alright, so if you have the Smart ECM, to just plug right here, LED hood. So it'll be the second one. Just pull this off, plug it right in. So I'm not gonna have an issue with that. What does this thing look like sitting on here? Okay, it's gonna be cute. I was hoping it would be bigger a little bit, fill up the whole thing, but I guess it's not. So we're gonna drill some holes, and there's three screws, that's it. And 3 washers, yeah, 3 330s and 3 washers. And a couple of tie wraps to run your wire underneath to hook it in place. So basically, the 3 holes we're drilling are, I believe, this one right here, this one right here, and this one right here. Remove your hood, and like I said, these 3 right here, this one right here, and this one, and this one. So, and this is a 1/4 inch. So you only got one time to screw up your hood. So my battery going dead. There we go. Alright, so let's see. Flocking around. Now let's check the other side, what we got on the top. So it's right through the paint, but that doesn't matter because it's going to screw into the light itself. So let's put, now we need to make the hole for the, whatchamacallit, for the grommet. I'll scratch my hood on that side. I'm gonna go here. All right, where's this grommet? So that would go to here. That's gonna be a big hole. Oh well, it went 3/4. She bit right through. So that's as big as that drill bit goes. So yeah. All right. Was not expecting that. Anyways, be careful when drilling. Make sure that whatever you're drilling with is the proper size. So let's put some Octua on this thing. All right, so a little bit of Octua. Whatever you do, don't use a screwdriver on this side. Try not to use your nails, just your, there we go. All right. So actually. I'm gonna drill from the other side to remove the excess burn. This here is one at a time. There we go. Maybe on the other side and yank on them. There we go. Alright, so get someone to pull on it for you as you're holding this. So, hopefully I lined it up good and drilled the hole at the right place, because there's no takeovers. Alright, so put this down. Don't want to scratch the new light. Okay. Where are those T30s? There's the one. Oh. Let me go with washers as well. So 3. All right. Washer. Okay. That's snug enough. That's snug enough. Let's go take a look on the other side, how it looks. All right, guys, so basically for the grommet, 3/4 inch, use the full 3/4 inch. For the 3 holes here, I tried going down one size, but if you're going too tight, they won't line up. So go your 1/4 inch holes where they show you to put them in, like these 3 holes here, like right here, these 3 holes. Go 1/4 inch. It'll give you just a little free play. And now we're doing the plug-in for the Smart. So we're gonna do this next, and then tie these tie wraps here to snap them into place that it follows the edge of the hood. So A is black, B is red, C is brown, D is white. So, and the little letters are right there on the edge. So A, B's in the, and that's A, B is black is A. So let's go black A, push it in, and you'll hear click. There we go. And B is red, power. Okay, and you don't want them to be like mixed up so this thing can slide properly. So B is red. There we go. And then C is brown. So looking in the back, C is on my side, so C is with the red. Is brown. Yeah. There we go. And then white is D, is the last one. So white goes in. There we go. And then spread them out a little bit so this thing can slide in the middle so you're not binding the wires, and snap it into place. Here we go on this side. There we go on this side. So now let's do the tie wraps. So this is like so. So which way am I gonna go? Right here, I guess. Okay. So that's gonna bite there. And I'm gonna put another one right in the corner here. What did I do? Oh, here. So this one here, we're going to here because we don't want any abstractions. All right. And the harder they are to push, the safer it's going to be clipped there. So we got this one, and then where am I? I guess I'm going to go downwards to the last one down. It's a little close to the front. I don't want it that close. And also I want it that it's more here. So what am I going to do? A loop, I guess? There we go. So tie wrap away. Tie wrap here, and if I need to, I'm just going to give it enough slack. All right, so LED hood, second one from the side. So no need to buy that switch wire. And if you do need to buy that switch wire, well, I can tell you which wire that needs to be bought. Maybe slide it a little bit to the... There we go. Let's close it and see. So as I close it, it just this way. Oh yeah, it sits perfect bend. It sits right on top of the other wires here. So that's a good spot to put it. You actually want that bend upwards like that. Okay. Now let's take a look inside. And you can see the wire, and it just snugs. All right. So here we go. So this is the front view. It looks pretty nice, and I think you guys are coming for a ride to see the difference in, because this thing is supposed to adjust with speed. Controls, get the little button in the corner, add accessory, salute, first one up top, pin, install, all front LED, the out LED, boom, 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 LED, resume. Smart LED. What does it say here? All front LEDs off. Okay, that's weird. Why did it? I got a new extra thing in the front. So if I go smart, it's on smart. If I go high, that's high. If I go low, that's low. Off, everything works. Okay, let's go try it for a ride. So, finished installing the smart hood light. Now we're gonna look in the front through the windshield. Hope the camera picks this up. If it's dark for a little bit, because it's turned off, and as we increase, watch this light up. It's a nice smart. The smart system is pretty nice. So as you can see, you can barely see anything. This is, I'm on low beams, and I got the smart hood light on, and watch me start to accelerate and not touching anything, and just keep going. The faster you go, the brighter it's starting to get. So watch this. It's pretty nice. I'll go faster. See how far she lights up. And just done slowing down. It's going to start to dim out, but it's going to start to light up like more like a floodlight. Going right down, see how dark it gets, but it's actually not dark for us, but the camera looks like it's dark. And then floor it again. Watch it get brighter and brighter without even touching anything. So yeah, so I'm happy with this. This is pretty nice. Don't have to touch anything, and as you can see on the screen here, I just got the smart LED hood on smart, and now we'll try to do a test. Look out front, and I'll put it on low. This is what we get. Let's see if you can see that. Okay, so this is completely off. Now this is low, and this is high, and then this is smart. It knocks it down, and the smart, well, when you take off, it's gonna, the faster you go, the brighter it gets. So yeah, but thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this, and yeah, I'm 100% satisfied with that. It's nice with the smart ECM that I didn't have to run a wire and plug it all inside. It basically made it, and it's fun that with the light like this, you can disconnect real quick to the 5 connections to the smart the ECM. You just disconnect and remove your hood, so it's really quick, right? Just remove the one and it's gone. So anyways, be safe out there, and safe on the trails, and we got another video coming. So well, we got more than one coming, but there's still gonna keep coming. So appreciate you guys. And just an update, I did decide to go with Revit for the flasher system, so I'll be doing an install for the flasher system as well. I think that for the bang for the price is the best way to go if you want it custom or whatever. But anyways, that's for a different topic. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now, guys. Be safe. Bye. So what's nice about this is that you have the accent light as well on top when you turn all your lights off. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys what the light does when it lights up when you start it. So that's one of the, it's not like insane, but it's different. Just lit up a little bit and then shuts down, but I don't know what it does when it's fully on. Okay, start it. That's all it does. It's a little light up and then shuts back down, and then it stays lit. Oh my god, can't see much in that camera.